Fungi are referred to as heterotrophs because they lack chlorophyll. They lack chlorophyll. They don't have chlorophyll or chloroplast. They cannot photosynthesize. They cannot make their own food. So they are heterotrophs. So the option here is B. An example of parasitic protozoan is Plasmodium. The Plasmodium parasite is what causes malaria. Okay, that's what causes malaria, Plasmodium. So the correct option here is Plasmodium. Which blood cells are involved in immune response of vertebrates? Lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are involved in fighting against infections. They are released to fight against infections. They are a type of white blood cells. Okay, they produce antibodies to fight against infectious agents. Phagocytes are also white blood cells, but lymphocytes specifically produce antibodies that are involved in immune response. So the correct option here is B, lymphocytes. The blood circulatory system consists of the heart, the arteries, the veins, the capillaries. So the heart and the blood vessels. So that is option A. Option A. A plant tissue that carries water and mineral salts is the xylem. The xylem transports water and mineral salts from the roots to the leaves of plants. That's the vessel that transports water and mineral salts. The phloem, on the other hand, transports manufactured food. Transports manufactured food to and fro, either from the roots to the leaves or from the leaves to the roots. So it can be in either direction. But the xylem transports water and mineral salts in one direction from the roots to the leaves. Okay, so the correct option here for 25 is B. Remember, the xylem is made up of dead cells. The phloem is made up of living cells. So option B is correct here. Which of the following helps in clotting of blood? It is the platelets. The platelets are involved in blood clotting. Okay, the red blood cells transport oxygen. The white blood cells fight against pathogens. Okay, the plasma is the liquid part of the blood. Okay, you can see the platelets, cellular fragments, and then the red blood cells. Which of the following forms about 55% of the volume of blood in man? Is the plasma, the liquid part of the blood. Okay, of course, if you put blood in a test tube like this and they separate, you can see the quantity, the percentage volume of each particular component. Okay, so the plasma is about 55% of the volume of blood. The part of the mammalian skeleton involved in excretion is the sweat gland. 28 is the sweat gland. The sweat gland releases sweat, and of course sweat contains urea, small amount of urea, and then some salts, and those are excretory waste. Actually, the process of sweating helps to cool the body. It is not the main reason why we sweat. The main reason why we sweat is to cool the body. But excretion becomes another aspect. The salts and urea are also lost through sweating. But the main reason why we actually sweat is to cool the body. So option 28 here is sweat gland, because urea and salts are removed through sweat. Which of the following is a waste product of insects? Insects release uric acid. Uric acid. Of course, if you have parked your car, you look at this picture, you see all this on the body of the car. This whitish looking feces on the body of the car. That whitish part is the uric acid. It can be released by insects, can be released by birds as part of their excretory waste. The main structure in vertebrates that supports and protects the body is the skeleton. A is the skeleton. The skeletal system, apart from supporting the body, it gives the body shape, helps us to stand erect, produces blood cells, and protects vital organs in the body.